Self-driving technology represents the pinnacle of AI innovation, with companies like NVIDIA and Tesla driving progress with distinctive strategies. NVIDIA focused on hardware-software integration, providing cutting-edge GPUs and its drive platform to support autonomous vehicle development across the industry. Its emphasis on powerful computation enable automakers to simulate and refine AI models for real-world driving. Tesla, on the other hand, pioneers vertically integrated systems. It builds its AI chips, integrates them with software like self-driving, and collects vast real-time data from its vehicles. This closed-loop approach accelerates updates and refinement. Comparatively, NVIDIA collaborates with many automotive manufacturers, fostering diverse applications, while Tesla retains end-to-end controls, ensuring optimization for its fleet. This creates contrasting paths towards the same goal, safer autonomous mobility. Both companies leverage advancement in semiconductors and neural networks. Tesla's edge lies in real-world data volume, while NVIDIA excels in creating adaptable platforms for varied automotive needs. Their efforts symbolize the broader synergy between AI and hardware innovation, pushing us closer to ubiquitous self-driving systems that will redefine transportation. The development of self-driving vehicles is a groundbreaking frontier where companies like NVIDIA and Tesla play pivotal roles, employing unique approaches to achieve autonomy. NVIDIA emphasized a platform-based strategy with its drive ecosystem, combining powerful GPUs and AI software tailored for autonomous vehicles. By collaborating with major automakers, NVIDIA provides adaptable tools for training neural networks, testing algorithms in visual environments, and deploying those systems across diverse vehicle types. This capability positions NVIDIA as a critical enabler in the broader autonomous driving industry. In contrast, Tesla adopts a vertically integrated model, leveraging proprietary hardware and software to maintain tight control over its self-driving technology. Tesla's full self-driving system relies heavily on real-world data gathered from its vast fleet of vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and cameras. This closed-loop approach allows Tesla to refine its AI models rapidly, offering continuous over-the-air updates that enhance the functionality and safety of its cars. Elon Musk's vision emphasizes delivering autonomy at scale directly to consumers. The key difference between the two companies lies in their strategic approaches. NVIDIA collaborative model supports multiple automakers, enabling widespread adaptation of its AI-driven solutions. Tesla's strategy, on the other hand, prioritizes end-to-end integration for its fleet, creating a tightly optimized and proprietary ecosystem. While Tesla excels in leveraging real data, NVIDIA shines in providing flexible solutions that cater to various automotive needs, including luxury and commercial vehicles. Semiconductor advancement and AI breakthroughs underpin both companies' innovations. NVIDIA GPUs brought computational power, enabling the real-time processing of complex driving scenarios. Tesla's custom-designed chips prioritize efficiency and integration with its software stack. Both companies rely on neural networks to interpret vast amounts of data from recognizing objects on the road to making predictive driving decisions. However, Tesla's massive fleet, the collective advantage gives it a unique edge in iterative model improvement. The competition between NVIDIA and Tesla illustrates the diversity of paths leading to autonomous vehicles, while NVIDIA democratizes access to its technology through partnerships. Tesla builds a closed but highly efficient system. This approach represents broader trends in AI and engineering. Collaboration versus integration, together they propel the industry toward a future where self-driving cars are safer, more reliable, and more accessible, reshaping transportation and mobility worldwide. As a student reflecting on the technological advancements made by Nvidia and Tesla in the field of autonomous vehicles, I find it fascinating how both companies are contributing to the realization of self-driving cars, yet take fundamentally different approaches. Nvidia, a leader in semiconductors technology, focused on providing powerful hardware and AI platforms that can be integrated into a variety of automotive systems through its Drive platform. NVIDIA provides manufacturers with the tools needed to develop sophisticated AI systems capable of perceiving and making decisions in real time, supporting a wide array of vehicle types and brands. The company's collaboration with multiple car manufacturers highlights its role as a key enabler in the automotive industry's shifts towards automation. On the other hand, Tesla's approach is much more integrated, focusing on the development of the whole hardware and software for its full self-driving system. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla is that all vehicles will eventually be capable of full automo- autonomy, relying on reliable data collected from Tesla's fleet of cars on the road. This strategy enables Tesla to continuously refine and improve its AI models based on the vast amounts of driving data it collects daily, providing them sustainers with over-the-air software updates that incrementally enhance their vehicle's autonomous capability. This closed-loop systems allows for rapid iteration and adjustments, ensuring that Tesla vehicles are always improving in terms of their safety and driving efficiencies. What stands out to me is the contrast between the two companies' business models. NVIDIA collaborates with many automakers to offer its autonomous driving solutions, essentially providing a universal platform that can be used by different manufacturers to power their self-driving systems. This approach allows NVIDIA to be at the forefront of a broad industry transformations. In contrast, Tesla's strategy of building its own technology from the ground up allows it to optimize systems specifically for Tesla's vehicles, creating a more tightly controlled end-to-end user experience. While the NVIDIA system is designed to be flexible and scalable, Tesla's approach allows for more streamlined integration between hardware and software, resulting in faster updates and a more cohesive product. Both companies leverage the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, but they do so in ways that reflect their different priorities. NVIDIA technology excels at enabling automation across a wide range of detail by providing powerful GPUs and AI processing capabilities. These chips are designed to handle the heavy computational demands required for real-time decision-making in complex driving environments. Tesla, however, focuses on heavily on neural network and the large datasets that it collects from its cars on the road. Tesla's cars are constantly learning from real-world driving conditions, allowing the company to continuously refine its system and push updates to customers. The massive amount of data Tesla's battery gives it a unique edge in training its AI models. But with the ability to partner with multiple companies allow its technology to impact a wide range of vehicles. Reflecting on the broader implications of these innovations, it becomes clear that the development of self-driving cars is not just a technological race between two companies but a crucial step towards the future of mobility. Both NVIDIA and Tesla are pushing the boundaries of what autonomous vehicles can achieve, each from their own perspectives. NVIDIA's contributions are paving the way for a diverse interconnected automotive ecosystem, while Tesla is leading the charge for full autonomy within a single brand. As a student interested in computer engineering and I find this competition between the two companies not only exciting, but also a perfect example of how innovation can take many forms in the pursuit of solving complex global challenges.